We will be making 3 chicken dishes today because chicken is one of the most popular proteins dito sa ating bansa. Bilang Pilipino, mahilig talaga tayo sa manok. So I have for you a fried chicken recipe, the classic chicken afritada, and the viral TikTok recipe, Marry Me Chicken. Let's start! Ha! Huwag sana ako mapasok.
Uy,
Ang sarap!
pack up na natin to, guys.
So we will be making Marry Me Chicken. Very familiar, right? Kasi nag-viral to sa TikTok for some reason. I don't know. Pinag-usapan namin ni Direk. Maaari dahil sa title niya, Marry Me Chicken, na maraming single dyan at gusto nang magpakasal. Tirahin natin yung Marry Me Chicken. Bakit hindi? But here is a recipe that's very easy na pwede niyong gawin sa bahay. So we have here chicken breast, right? You can choose naman kung anong part na gusto. It can be chicken thigh, it can be whatever piece. But it's important na wala siyang buto. There's a great tip na binigay sa akin sa Direk is to put your magic first to your chicken before you pound it. Para nga naman, tama siya. Nagdi-dissolve yung granules sa chicken while you're pounding it. So basically, yung marination niya pumapasok na sa loob ng chicken. You learned something, right? So this is the time that we pound it. You want, yes, dapat ganun talaga, oo. Hahayaan natin. Kailangan talaga, oo, maniwala kayo nagdi-dissolve siya. So, kung may issue ka sa jowa mo, hindi pa nagpo-propose sa'yo, subukan mong gawin to na may kasamang damdamin, feeling ko makukuha niya na yung gusto mong sabihin. Dadagdagan pa natin yan ng magic syrup later. So, at this point, i-chop muna natin ang ating mga herbs and garnishes. So, we have there curly parsley, our rosemary, we have a garlic, some olive oil. Mamaya ko na ilalagay ang butter kasi madali na lang yan. So it's important that you prepare your other ingredients first. Kasi once nag-start tayo mag-sear, we'll deglaze the pan and then we'll add our aromatics and our garlic. Dapat isang mabilis na galawan na lang. So we have here our flour. You can season this with added magic. Why not? When I fry things with a batter or with flour, nagdo-double, triple seasoning ako, especially kung halimbawa may egg siya. Para bawat layer may lasa. So nilalagay ko yung butter. So there's a combination of butter and olive oil because you don't want your butter to get burned. Yes, matalsik siyang bakla. Woo! You want to dredge your chicken dito sa ating magic flour mixture. So, if you want to add more butter because, hello, butter yan. Huwag ka nang, oo nga, ikaw ang topic ko. Butter yan. Woo! Diyan ka lang ha, huwag ka lang. Ha! O si, di ba nanahimik na siya? Ganyan yan. Hayaan nyo lang siya magpapansin. Mananahimik din siya. At this point, nag-brown na on both sides yung chicken natin. So you just want to set this aside dahil bubuuin na natin yung sauce ng Marry Me Chicken. I like saying it, Marry Me Chicken. We will now add our garlic. So dito na tayo magbe-build ng lasa natin. Any white wine is okay as long as it's, of course, drinkable, hindi ba? Hindi naman kailangan mahal. Gusto mo lang na ma-deglaze yung pan. And at the same time, you have to wait for the alcohol to dissolve. We add some of our rosemary, our chicken stock. Okay, so this is the time that we add our cooking cream. Pwede nyo tansyahin. It can be a lot. So, para lang mag-combine siya properly. Gusto ko pa siyang dagdagan ng magic. Only magic tayo today, guys. Add more magic because, hello, why not? Bago kayo magpakasal, kailangan nyo ng magic. And no, hindi ako OA maglagay ng magic. Conservative lang kayo. You can add as much magic as you like. Dahil nandyan ang happiness ng Marry Me Chicken. Okay. Hindi ako nag-double dip, ha? There. Gets. Okay, I love it. Now, this is the time that we put back our chicken. We will now grate our Parmesan cheese. There's something about grating cheese that makes me so excited. Parang nakakalma niya talaga ako. Diba? Tapos parang siyang snow. It's time to taste. So yung natirang sauce, kanina may natira pa tayong sauce sa pan. You can add cooked noodles there. Pwede naman ding rice kung gusto nyo. But ako para mas gusto ko ito lang. Gets ko bakit siya marry me chicken. Kasi hindi mo nga naman talaga pwedeng makalimutan kung sino man ang gumawa nito for you. In my case, ginawa ko to para sa sarili ko. So, I love me. And, bago ko ito maubos, for our next recipe, I'm pretty sure marami kayong nag-aabang nito. Everybody, again, has their own recipe of fried chicken. This is one recipe that you really have to know and you really have to learn. And we're here for you guys. Let's do this. Kung meron kayong marry me chicken na mapapakasalan kayo kung sino man ang paghahain niyo, ito, I'm pretty sure your kids will love you more. Because of fried chicken, talagang yan ang nagpapa-inlove sa mga bagets natin. So what we'll do here is we'll brine it first. Why do we brine our chicken? It's to give back that hydration. Kaya lalagyan natin ng water. Yung iba, pinapakuluan muna yung tubig, pinapainit, ganyan, and then you have to cool it down. But this time, since our granules, our magic granules are very easy to dissolve, ilalagay na natin yung isang packet dito. That's 1 sachet of Maggi Magic Sarap. We'll add our red onions that's quartered already, our garlic, and sugar just to balance all the flavors. And you want to make sure that our granules are dissolved already. So ideally, you brine this overnight para talagang pasok na pasok yung lasa sa chicken. Don't worry, hindi siya magiging maalat. It's just gonna be perfect. So for our milk mixture, we have here, of course, milk. Kasi nga milk mixture. So this is something new. A tip that we will share. You only use the egg whites. Ito kasi yung magpapatulong na mag-crisp up ng batter natin. You don't want the yolk, vinegar, para kumapit yung acid sa ating chicken. And you just want to make sure that it's mixed well. Actually, the vinegar will help tenderize the meat some more. So, na-brine na siya, may vinegar pa yung milk natin. And of course, the milk also helps to tenderize the chicken. Our cornstarch and our rice flour, equal parts. Just want to make sure na they're all well combined. We'll add some magic on our flour mixture. If you're actually gonna make this recipe, I suggest you buy the big packet already. Kasi sa recipe alone lang na ito, marami kayong gagamiting magic syrup. And it's okay. Because gusto natin na talagang magical ang experience natin dito. And pepper. You can use white, you can use black. There. Now, meron na kaming naka-brine na chicken from last night. It's time to dredge. So, ito na yung brine chicken natin. We wanna pat it dry and dip it sa ating milk mixture. That's very important. Nandyan yung egg whites natin and vinegar. And then, you want to make sure na talagang in yung flour mixture natin sa chicken. Just set this aside. Make sure at this point, yung oil ninyo, hiniheat up nyo na to deep fry temperature. So that could be as high as 350 Fahrenheit. Of course, we'll do the wooden spoon method. Ayan. Nag-boil na around yung oil sa wooden spoon natin. It's time to fry. I'm so excited. Gustong-gusto ko na siyang kainin. Meron akong rice. Of course, rice is life. Meron akong gustong ilagay. Pangpasarap ng kanin, ah. Ito lang ang kapantay niyan, guys. At saka ang manok. Sa pagkakataong to, sa tunay na buhay, pag nasa bahay ba kayo, ginagamitan nyo ng kutsara at tinidor ang manok? Hindi, di ba? Kinakagat yan ng ganito. Huwag sana ako mapasok. Naririnig niyo yung crunch na yun? Yes. So the juiciness and the tenderness ng chicken, galing siya sa brining na ginawa natin. Na in-overnight siya. Tapos, sasabayan mo pa ng kanin na may Maggi Sabor.
Uy! Pack up na natin to, guys.
After this, we're gonna make another classic recipe. Sorry na, walang manners. Sarap eh. Let's go! It's time to make afritada. Yung iba, fina-fry na muna nila separately yung carrots and potatoes, or yung iba ba naman, binibake para iba yung texture niya. But ito, iwa one-pot charva na lang natin lahat yan. Umpisa pa lang, let's add some magic already. So, for a kilo of chicken, we'll add 1 packet of magic syrup. You want to marinate it. Sa totoong buhay, gusto naman siyang lamutakin, di ba? Which is tama naman, lalamutakin nyo siya. Again, ang pag-marinate ng chicken, when I make chicken na fritada, minamarinate ko siya na matagal sa magic syrup kasi gusto ko pasok na pasok yung lasa niya. We add a bit of oil. You can use olive oil or neutral oil, doesn't matter. I let my onions sweat first, and then the garlic. Ay, ang bango na. So, habang nagba-brown siya dyan, I have here chicken stock. In my chicken stock, I like to add oyster sauce. Yes. Bakit hindi natin gamitin ang Maggi oyster sauce to deepen the flavor of our afritada? A bit of Maggi Sabor. Mga ganun lang. Siyempre hindi. Siyempre, oo, iyan natin. Don't you worry. Mababalance niyan ang lasa ng ating tomato sauce. So why do we sear our chicken first? Kasi para pumasok na, mag-seal in na yung lasa niya sa chicken bago pa tayo maglagay ng sauce natin. Then we add our tomato sauce. Para hindi sayang yung tomato sauce, dito natin i-transfer. Kasi hindi ito ang panahon para magsayang ng ingredients, guys. Ang mahal na bilihin. So, sisimutin natin siya. Oh, menudo, they use yung mga sobrang bite-sized pieces of pork and it has livers. Actually, pareho lang na may patatas at may carrots eh. May ibang menudo sa mga probinsya, lalo yung piyesta, meron silang pasas at saka hotdog. With caldereta, we Filipinos love to use, of course, liver pate. Kasi nga yun yung nagpapakaldereta sa kanila, ayon sa mga lola namin. And then, lagay natin yung paprika. Now, with paprika, bias kasi ako sa paprika. I just love putting smoked paprika in my red-based sauces. I just like the smokiness of the flavor. You can add sugar if you want to balance the saltiness and the sweetness. You can add cheese here if you like. Sasama na natin itong carrots para magkasabay na silang lalambot ng chicken. You can also fry the potatoes, like deep-fried potatoes para may iba siyang texture. Okay lang din yun. Pero dahil gumagawa tayo ng basic afritada, ito na muna. And then, we can just explore after nyo na ma-perfect ang afritada recipe. Alam ko na, magdagdag tayo ng Maggi chicken bouillon. Ang difference nitong Maggi chicken bouillon from other bouillons is that you can just crush it. So, hindi nyo na siya hihintayin matunaw. It's very easy to use and it's full of flavor, it's full of spices. Hindi ba nakaka-happy? And add our bell peppers. It's time to plate and taste. Ito yung favorite part ko sa lahat. Tasting time. Yes, sorry guys, malaki talaga ako sumubo. Sorry, tsaka wala po talaga akong poise kumain eh. Sorry na. Tapos mainit. Give me time to process my thoughts. Worth it. Worth it yung paso. Kasi masarap siya. please try this recipe. And I hope you liked all 3 chicken recipes that we showed you today. Please try it at home. Let us know what you think. And of course, you know, cooking for your loved ones with a bit of magic goes a long way. Have a nice day, everyone. I will be sharing 3 different recipes using 1 major ingredient, but very, very simplified. Pero sigurado ako, ma-entertain at ma-enjoy ito ng mga kaibigan ninyo at mga kapamilya ninyo. Okay? So join me today.